morning, students. So, how are you all? So, now my topic is logarithms, SSC textbook, exercise 1.5. I want to explain you. So, now in that exercise 1.5, first Roman sums are determine the value of the following. But here overall 9 sums are there. So, complete 9 sums I want to explain you. So, observe properly. So, now first question is first question is log of 5 base 25. Just I will say the formulas orally. So, then I will write the solutions directly. So, now this can be written as log of 5, 25 can be written as 5 square. Then this can be written as 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5. Why? Because here log a base a power of m is nothing but 1 by m. Here base power of anything will be there, means they are taken as this side denominator will come. Okay. So then log 5 base 5 value is equals to 1. 1 by 2 into 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. So that is about first sum and first sum. So then next second sum is log of 3 base 81, that equals to what will come. So this is nothing but log 3 base 81. 81 can be written as 3 power of 4. That implies 1 by 4 into log 3 base 3. That equals to here 1 by 4 into 1 is nothing but 1 by 4. So similarly, third sum is log of 1 by 16 base 2, that equals to, so log of 1 by 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 base 2. So that equals to log of, in exponents 1 by a to the power of m equal to a power of minus m now. So that's why here 2 to the power of minus 4 base 2, that equals to minus 4 into log 2 base 2, then that value must be minus 4 only. Okay. So next fourth sum is log 1 base 7. Log 1 base 7 value I want. But how will get log 1 base 7 value? Means suppose here log of, instead of this 1, shall I write 7 power of 0? Anything power of 0 value will become 1 only, no? So that's why now here you know the formula, but in the anything power will be there, means taken as the this side. So this can be written as 0 into log 7 base 7, that equals to 0 into log 7 base 7 value is equals to 1 now. So that equals to value must be, okay, 0. So log 1 base 7 value is 0. And fifth sum is log 512 base 2. So that implies log of, so 512 can be written as, this is nothing but 2 to the power of 9 base 2, that equals to, so 9 is taking front, so 9 into log 2 base 2, that equals to 9 into 1 is nothing but that value will become, so 9. Next I am going to explain sixth sum. Log of root x base x, that equals to log of x power of 1 by 2 base x equals to 1 by 2 into log x base x. 1 by 2 into 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. The next seventh sum is log 0.01 base 10. What is the value of this? So simply that equals here log of This 0.01 can be written as 1 by 100 only now, and base 10, that equals to log of 1 by 10 square base 10. So that equals to log of 1 by 10 square can be written as 10 power of minus 2 base 10. So that equals here minus log 10 base 10, that equals to, that value must be minus 2 only. Okay, the value must be minus 2. Okay, so that is the value of seventh one. So next eighth question is log of 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. But how will get this? Log of 8 by 27 can be written as 2 by 3 whole cube base 2 by 3. So that equals to 3 into log of 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. So that equals to 3 into 1 is equals to 3. Next, ninth question is two to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. So now here it is very important question. Here a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m into a power of n formula. So then this can be written as 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of log 3 base 2, that equals to 2 square is nothing but 4. Now you know one more formula, a to the power of log m base a is equals to m. So here base equal means that value will become 3. So that equals to 12. So log 2 plus log 3 base 2 value will become 12. So this is about first Roman sum. Okay, next I am going to explain log 2 plus log 5. What is the value of that? Means log a plus log b can be written as log of ab 2 into 5, that equals to log 10. Log 10 base 10 is equals to, that value will become 1. So that value is 1 only. So next, so similarly second question is log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. So that equals to, here log a minus log b is nothing but log of 16 by 2 base 2. The 2 ones are 2 8s. That equals to log of 8 can be written as 2 power of 3 base 2. That equals to, here 3 into log 2 base 2. So that value will become 3. Okay, so that is about second sum. So next third sum is 3 into log 4 base 64 value I needed. So simply here 3 can be taken as in this power, means what will happen? Log of 4 cube base 64. Then log of 4 cube is nothing but 64 base 64. Then value will become 1 only now. So this is about third sum. So next fourth sum is 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. What will happen? So this is nothing but log of, this can be written as 3 square minus this can be written as log of 2 cube. So that equal log a minus log b is nothing but log a by b. 3 square is nothing but 9 by 2 cube is nothing but 8. So log of 9 by 8. So next I am going to explain fifth sum is, so this can be written as log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Okay, so how will write this? Means this can be written as it is log a plus log b, means again this can be written as log of 3 square only now. So log of 10 into 3 square, it is nothing but 9. Directly I wrote here minus log 2. So that equals to log of 90 minus log 2. That equal log A minus log B is nothing but log of A by B. So then log of 90 by 2 is nothing but log of 45. So this is about second Roman sums in 1.5 exercise. So next I am going to explain third Roman sum. X is equals to log 3 base 2 and y is equals to log 5 base 2. Okay, then what is the first sum? The first sum is log 15 base 2. How we'll write this? Log 15 can be written as 3 into 5 only, base 2. Again, this is nothing but log AB formula, product formula, log A plus log B. So then this can be written as log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Log 3 base 2 already given in the problem x plus log 5 base 2 is nothing but y. So this is about x plus y. So the next second sum is log of 7.5 by 2. How we'll write this? So simply this can be written as log of 75 by 10 base 2 equals to log of A by B can be written as, otherwise cancel here, 5 2s are 5 1s are 5, 5 5 is 15 by 2. So then log A by B formula is log A minus log B. So that equals to log 15 can be written as log of 3 into 5 base 2 minus this value will become 1. So then log of 3 into 5 can be written as log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 minus 1. So then log 3 base 2 can value is nothing but x plus log 5 base 2 value is y minus 1. So x plus y minus 1 is the value. Okay, so this is about second sum. So the next log of 60 base 2. Log of 60 base 2 can be written as, now here log of 60 prime factors are 2 square into 3 power of 1 into 5 power of 1, means it is nothing but 2 square into 3 power of 1 into 5 power of 2 square 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60 base 2. So that equals to, this can be written as log of 2 square base 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. This can be written as 2 into log 2 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. That equals to 2 plus x plus that value is y. So this is the value of third one. So next fourth one is log of 6750 base 2. So first of all, 6750 means you need to find 6750 prime factors. You need to find. So simply this can be written as 2 table, 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 3 5s are 2 5s are 10. And next similarly in 5 table, okay, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 table, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 table, 5 2s are 5 7s are, again 3 table, 3 9s are, then next 3 3s are will come. So based on this, that equal, this can be written as log of 2 power of 1 into 5 cube into 3 cube base 2. How we'll write this? This is nothing but product formula log 2 base 2 plus this is nothing but 3 log 5 base 2 plus it's nothing but 3 log 3 base 2. Directly I wrote here. I am writing here directly this step. So then next that equals to 1 plus 3 into this value will become y plus this value will become x. So this is the final result. So now in this video 1.5 exercise 1 to 3 Roman sums I explained. So for the next video 1.5 exercise fourth sum onwards continuation it will be available. Okay students, so until keep watching my channel, I wish you all the best.